how to fix lock can't be edited on Canva. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can fix the lock can be edited on Canva. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to get to canva.com through any web browser that you prefer it in your laptop. And make sure to log into your account. After login, open up the template that you can't edit if that says it's locked. So once you're on your template piece, if you navigate to this section, just above your template, there is a small lock icon that says unlock page. So if you have locked the page, you will be facing that error message. To unlock it or to resolve your problem, all you have to do is click on it and that's gonna unlock this page. Now you will be able to edit this template. So that's how you can fix your problem, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and do not forget to like and comment. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.